Hey folks, this is Devin Bledsoe down here at Heritage Ford, and today we're going to be taking a look at this 2017 RAV4. Super nice, super clean car we just got in. This is a RAV4, it's an LE all-wheel drive. Really nice cars. I drive one myself. Alright, well, let's take this dude around the block. Alright. Well, the first thing that's really awesome about the Toyota product is they've got a ton of safety features on them. So this one is going to be equipped with adaptive cruise control and lane keep. It's also got the pre-collision alert. Put our seatbelt on, start this dude up. Alright, we've got our adaptive cruise control button here, our lane keep down here, and the pre-collision is when you get close to another vehicle, it's going to brake for you. So we'll take it around the block here. This is a 2017. It's a one owner, 0 accidents. It's got 5,000 miles on it. Super nice car. Ton of pep. It's got a 5-liter or not 5-liter, 2.5 liter motor. They handle good. They drive really well. Ton of power for the little motor, and they're gonna get good gas mileage for an SUV. It's gonna be right around that 24-25 miles to a gallon. Now, highway, they do a lot better. They're going to be in the high 20s to low 30s if you're driving all highway. In mine, I average about 24 miles to a gallon. And mine's an all-wheel drive too, so. Got really good pickup. Brakes good. Got a couple different modes. As you can see, it's got the Eco. There's a switch down here on the bottom. You see that red light came on the dash. That puts it in sport mode. Then they're back in Eco. So the sport mode, you just wanted to have a little bit more acceleration. Not going to get near as good a fuel mileage in sport mode. Eco is most of the time when I drive mine in, but it also has the Bluetooth system, so you're going to be able to connect your phone using the Bluetooth and make or place calls, so, without taking your hands off the steering wheel, which is very important. as well around the corners. Like I said, this one is equipped with all-wheel drive, so it's going to be great no matter what the weather. We know how crazy it is around here. Almost back. Alright, we'll get out and take one more walk around it. It's a super sharp car. Like I said, it's only got 5,000 miles on it. It's a 2017 Toyota RAV4. Park it right here. Alright. Some good looking hubcaps on it. Like I said, this is one of the Toyota one of their baser models. You can get your all-weather floor mats, so they come in the floor lining. Big back seat, plenty of room. Huge storage space in the back. I really like this mat in the back of mine. You can throw your work boots or whatever on it and dust it right off. It's pretty sporty looking. They drive really well. And you're getting pretty good gas mileage for an SUV. Like I said, you're going to be in the mid-20s. Again, this is Devin Bledsoe at Heritage Ford. If you want, come down and take a test drive with us today.